Brady wearing them out.
Please don't get my ear.
I'm not gonna get your ear. I promise.
Is he okay, Cindy?
Yeah. Falling.
You better clean that thing up because the base stopped it up. You get
Start
tired?
back on the top.
Wait.
You got a ducktail, Susan.
Again? Lord, I had them on the whole time I was growing up.
Well, let them rest a minute, okay?
Wave at the Davis family up north.
Your mama looks like you.
Am I hurting you?
No, it tickles.
Well, you still look like Susan.
A male version of my daddy. Do I?
Now you look more like your mama.
Do I?
Mm-hmm.
Mom almost didn't have any hair. Her was so thin.
Sorry, I'm trying not to
It
get your
tickles.
ear, but you got a head full of hair.
Hello? It'll grow back.
Yeah.
Send this to Edith and Dean too.
I've got Edith as a friend on Facebook.
Okay, one of you's pulling this way, one's pulling that way. I can only go one way.
Save on shampoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, just use body wash.
Mm-hmm. Trying to turn her on over here. Mom, you're getting behind my ear. God.
Susan.
Yeah, then go play.
I know, I told her. Of all things.
You could have warned me about the ear thing first.
Well, I think you have the same problem. Don't she, Tony?
No comment.
No comment.
Plead the fifth.
Okay, now that reminds me of Ramses on the Two Commandments. Well, you got that one thing of hair back there. Now you just need to put one of those gold bands around it.
Yeah.
You could be a female Ramses.